Hi Cancers, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be your reading from October 15th to the 31st. And if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. First, I'll be looking at the current situation, and basis that, I'll look at the outcome that you can expect in these 15 days. Um, Also, guys, while watching, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So, please take what resonates and leave what does not. Alright? So, let's see your energies, Cancerians. Let's see what's going on with you currently. What's going on with Cancers currently? The moon, okay. I got the High Priestess vibe. Four of Wands and King of Wands. One more. The Sun. Divine counterpart energy. Someone who seems or who feels to be like your soulmate, or somebody who just completes you from inside. I see the Sun, Moon, Four of Wands and King of Wands. Okay, you feel very stable. It's like the feeling that I'm getting here is finally you feel a sense of stability that you probably had never felt before. Okay. I see that yes, you are kind of embracing this connection because this person is also reciprocating. You feel happy, you feel cheerful. And I'm seeing a lot of fire between the two of you. It's like yin and yang energy, the sun and the moon. I'm also picking up that you see or you want to spend your life with this person because this person is really igniting your spirits from inside. And this hasn't happened in a while with you. Okay? And you really feel very soul level connected. I'm also seeing that this person is also pushing you to know your higher limits. This person could be someone who's motivating you to be the best version of you as well. Okay? I am seeing a sense of clarity step in. I'm also seeing a sense of understanding, awakening. For some of you, this could be a very, very deep soul connection appearing in your life. Okay, Cancers? So, if this resonates, and if you know this person, because I see that yes, you know this person, then let's see what can you expect in the coming 15 days. What can you expect in the coming 15 days? Three of Swords, Seven of Cups, King of Cups, the Star, and the Lovers. Okay. So, Cancers, here what I'm seeing is that you can't compare one situation to another. Now, if you're doing that, you got to stop doing that. Okay? I can see that probably in the past you were heartbroken by someone and you don't really feel very nice about it, obviously. Um, when I say heartbroken, it's like someone left you in the cold, you felt backstabbed and you felt that they just walked out on you. And those thoughts still bother you. Now, again, someone's appeared in your life who is igniting the same kind of emotions, but I see this connection is not bad. So, you can trust it. You can actually not, you don't have to be feeling that, okay, this happened to me when I was vulnerable, and should I do this again? Those kind of feelings. So I'm seeing that don't be or don't dwell in that energy, because it is not going to get you anything. Okay? Let yourself feel happy. You have to, or you should rather. Let yourself feel happy, let yourself feel cheerful, is what I'm picking up. Okay? It is something that is here for your happiness, so allow that. Okay? All right, now that this resonates, now let's see a message or a guidance for you. Don't compare this situation with the past. This person is not going to leave you. I don't think so. Okay? They are not going to basically not repeat what happened to you in the past. So let's see what is the guidance for you here. Blessing of starting over. There you go. Wipe the slate clean. You're asked to start something all over again. Revise plans, demolish old foundations, and build stronger ones again. What is happening now is happening for your ultimate good. Don't resist change, go with the flow. Okay? So, pretty much the same message here. So, it's come, this connection has come in your life for a reason. Just embrace it, don't question it so much. Because if it were to be questioned, it wouldn't have appeared in your life, right? So, allow this in your life. Okay, Cancers, so that's what I have for you. I hope this reading helped you, and private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And I shall see you soon with more readings. Take care and talk to you soon. Bye.